So this is question from GATE 2015 Electronics Set 2, and this is one of the best question of electronics from signaling systems. So in this question, x of t is given as alpha beta s of t plus beta s of minus t, with s of t is equal to e to the power minus 4 of t u of t, and bilateral, and x of t has a bilateral transform. So x of t does not have a unilateral transform, it has a bilateral transform where value of x of s is equal to 16 upon s square minus 16. 16 upon s square minus 16, where minus 4 is less than real part of s is greater than 4. Then we have to find the value of beta. So x of s is given as 16 upon s square minus 16. So we can write it as s plus 4 and s minus 4. We can write it as s plus 4 upon s minus 4. So this is equal to 2 upon s minus 4 minus 2 upon s plus 4. 2 upon s minus 4 minus 2 upon s plus 4. Now this is a bilateral transform. So there are two poles, and this is a ROC. So this type of ROC is only possible in two cases. This type of ROC is only possible in two cases. So this is pole at minus 4, this is pole at 4, and the pole at minus 4, the ROC for pole at minus 4 is in this direction, and ROC for pole at 4 is in this direction. So then only these two ROCs will, the common ROC will be minus 4 as less than real part of s is less than 4. So the pole at minus, the signal with pole at minus 4, this is the signal with pole at minus 4. So this must be a right-sided signal because its ROC is in the right direction. So this must be a right-sided signal. And the signal with pole at 4, so this is the signal with pole at 4, and it must be a left-sided signal because its ROC is like this. So this must be a left-sided signal. So this must be u of minus t. So this must be a left-sided signal is only represented by u of minus t, and a right-sided signal is represented by u of t. So this is the conclusion from the ROC, that the pole at this must contain a term u of minus t, and this must contain a term u of t. Now this is minus 4, so this must be equal to e to the power 4 of t u of minus t. This must be equal to e to the power 4 of t u of minus t. So the Laplace transform of e to the power at u of minus t. The Laplace transform of e to the power at u of minus t is minus 1 upon s plus a. Minus 1 upon s plus a, where neta is greater than minus a, The Laplace transform of e to the power at u of minus t is 1 upon s minus a, where neta is greater than minus a. So neta must be greater than 4. So neta must be greater than minus 4. So the Laplace transform for this is neta is less than a. So neta must be less than 4. So this is the Laplace transform for the left-sided signal. So the 1 upon s minus a, the Laplace transform is minus inverse Laplace transform is e to the power at u of minus t. So this is 2 upon s minus 4. So its Laplace transform should be minus 2. Its Laplace transform should be minus 2 e to the power 4t u of minus t. Minus 2 e to the power 4t u of minus t. Now this is the other signal. This is a right-sided signal. So now for right-sided signal, it is x plus 4. So this should be e to the power minus 4t u of t. E to the power minus 4t u of t. Now e to the power minus 8t u of t Laplace transform is 1 upon s plus a. where neta is greater than minus a. So the Laplace transform for this is neta is greater than minus 4, so it is the right sided signal. So we can write it as minus of 2 e to the power minus 4t u of t. So x of t will be equal to so the Laplace transform for this signal is minus 2, inverse Laplace transform for this signal is minus 2. So we can write x of t. So the inverse Laplace transform for this signal is minus 2 e to the power 4t u of minus t, e to the minus 2 e to the power 4t u of minus t. And inverse Laplace transform for minus 2 upon s plus 4 is minus 2 e to the power minus 4t u of t. So this is the total this is the full signal. Now x of t is given as alpha beta s of t. So we can write it as alpha beta, and s of t is given by e to the power minus 4t u of t. So e to the power minus 4t u of t, and plus beta s of minus t. So plus beta e to the power, and replace s of minus t is given here, and this is s of t. So just replace t with minus t. So e to the power 4t u of minus t. Now if you compare with this e to the power 4t u of minus t and plus beta, so the value of beta is minus 2. So the value of beta is minus 2. So in this way we can easily solve this question. Just remember that for 2 upon minus this pole is the left sided signal and this pole is the right sided signal, because neta is less than 4 and neta is greater than minus 4. So this is the common ROC. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box. Also share your feedbacks and suggestions. Your feedback and suggestions are most welcome. So thank you and best of luck.